In this video, I'm going to show you the full process of setting up your Android phone to profitably mine Verus Coin. And we're going to go about this the easiest way that still guarantees you a good amount of mining performance, aka hash rate. By the way, let me know in the comments if you'd want another video of me showing you the slightly more complicated way that gives your phone even more hash rate. But then in this video, I'm also going to show you how to download and set up the VerusCoin mobile wallet to get a wallet address that you can mine your coins to. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to track your mining progress and see your payouts on the mining pool. Also, big shout out to 𝗏𝗏𝗏 and New England Crypto here on YouTube. I learned all of this stuff from them, so please go subscribe to their channels for more phone mining content. Links to them will be down in the video description. But without further ado, let's get into some phone mining after a quick word from our sponsor. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is a crypto and NFT tax software built to save you time and help maximize your tax refund. Thankfully, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 has made the process of doing this super easy. All you have to do is sign up for an account and link your crypto wallets. That's it. What 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 then does is it looks at the transaction data of those wallets and uses that to automatically generate a tax report for you in your country's local currency. You can then take this report and export it into any tax filing software like TurboTax or TaxAct, or you can send it off directly to an accountant. Best part is that if you use my link in the description below, you can sign up and use 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 entirely for free. And once you're happy with the reports and are ready to export, you can save 10% by using my discount code 𝗬𝗏. So make sure you click on that link in the video description below for more details. So this is a follow-up video to a video I posted a little over a week ago where I give a full introduction to what phone mining actually is, how it works, how profitable it is, and what phones it can be done on. I'd recommend you check that video out if you haven't already. I'll link that down in the video description. And actually, make sure you stay tuned on the channel because I have yet another video about phone mining coming in about a week where I'll show you how you can mine profitably on your phone but get paid out in Bitcoin instead of VerusCoin. And that, of course, makes selling or trading your mined coins a lot easier for those of you who want to cash out your earnings right away. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you don't want to miss that video coming up very soon. However, you're probably still going to need to watch this video as well to just know the basic setup and how that all works. So don't click off just yet. Now, in my last video, I introduced you guys to this phone, which is the perfect phone for mining and is currently only $49 on Amazon. So it's on this phone that I'll show you the complete setup process today. However, the setup should be pretty much identical on most other Android phones as well. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this phone down in the video description for those of you who might want to get one or a few. And just for full transparency, that link will be an affiliate link, meaning if you do make a purchase through that link, you help support the channel here with a small commission at no extra cost to you. So thank you. All right, so if you need an introduction to phone mining, go check out that previous video. And if you need an actual phone for mining, go check this one out on Amazon. But that's the preparations taken care of. So now let's get all set up and mining. All right, so to mine anything, no matter if it's on a phone, a computer, or anything else, you need four things: the hardware that you're going to be mining on, a wallet address for the coins you're going to be mining, a mining pool address, and a mining software. Now, don't worry if you're new, it's all pretty basic. So let me go through all of those four things quickly. So the hardware, well, that's just going to be your phone in this case, so that's easy enough. Moving on to the wallet address for the coin you're going to be mining. If you are brand new to crypto, a coin wallet is basically like your online bank account where you receive and store your coins. I will show you how to set that up for VerusCoin in this video, but I won't go into detail about exactly what a crypto wallet is and how it works, but there are plenty of videos on YouTube for that if you want to learn more. Then you need a mining pool address and a mining software. So simply explaining how it all works practically is that the mining software is just an app on your phone that does all of the mining work or calculations on your phone. That software then sends that work off to the mining pool, and every time the mining pool receives work from you, they pay you for that work. So you need the app that can perform those calculations, and you need the pool address to send that work to. Simple enough, right? So I filmed the whole unboxing and setup process for my phone, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain everything that I'm doing as I'm showing it in the video here. First, we're gonna start with just setting up the phone and getting it mining with as basic of an install as possible, because the less amount of stuff you have installed and running on your phone, the more hash rate you get. And then after that, I'm also going to show you how to set up a VerusCoin wallet. However, you only need to do this on one phone, and then you can just use that wallet address to mine to from all of your phones. Now, the reason I show it to you in this order, which might seem a bit backwards since you need the wallet in order to set up the mining software, is because some of you might already have a VerusCoin wallet address, and if that is the case, then you obviously don't need to install the wallet app. And also because installing the wallet app will slightly reduce the hash rate on the phone you do it on, since you're installing an additional app on that phone. So let's get into how to set up the phone and get it mining, and then how to install the wallet app and get your wallet address for those of you who also need a wallet address. So the very first thing you're gonna be met with when you power the phone on for the first time is just the initial setup guide, right? And the whole thing here is you're gonna have to, agree to some things, but generally you wanna turn as many things off and opt out of as many things as possible, which is what you can see me do here. Just opt out of all of these things, hit agree, skip signing up to a Wi-Fi for now, or connecting to a Wi-Fi I should say. Skip this copy the data thing, fill in the date and time, opt out of all of these things. Yeah, and then skip whatever this thing is. Again, TrackPhone's gonna wanna install some apps, opt out of those. Opt out of a Samsung account, skip this, opt out of this. Yeah, you can see there's a theme of opting out and skipping as much as you can. And here we are finished and actually in our phone for the first time. And the very first thing we're gonna do is go to the settings, and we're gonna enable developer mode. So you scroll down all the way in your settings till you get to about phone. And then you're gonna go to software information, and you're just gonna tap on the build number a bunch of times, and that is gonna turn on developer mode. Then we're gonna go back twice, I believe. And what we're gonna do then is, back twice, go to developer options, and you're just gonna turn on stay awake to keep the phone from going to sleep mode. And then we're gonna go to the display options and turn off adaptive brightness and turn brightness all the way down. Of course, for the video, I'm gonna keep it up a bit, but I am gonna put it in dark mode. And that's generally it for the initial setup. Then we're gonna plug it into our PC, hit allow on this little thing here, and then we're gonna, on the PC, go to the official VerusCoin website. And you can see where I'm going here to the little part of the website that says start mining. I'm going to scroll down to the mobile section and download the Verus miner off the official GitHub page here. So click on releases to the right, and then just download the zip file of the official mining software here. So you're downloading that as a zip file. You can see I'm even doing this on a Mac. It's even easier on a Windows PC. So just unzip the zip file, and in there you can see the APK, which is the Android app executable basically. Then I'm opening this Android file transfer app in order to transfer from my Mac to the Android phone, but on a Windows PC you can just do it directly in the file explorer. Just transfer the file to the downloads folder on your phone. And then we are done on the computer, so we can unplug the phone again and then connect to Wi-Fi. I'm sure you know how to connect to Wi-Fi. And then when you are on Wi-Fi, you might get a bunch of these notifications of apps that want to update, or system downloads, or carrier updates, or whatever. Try to, opt out and, skip as much as possible. However, you are probably gonna have to, download and update some things, which will probably have to reboot your phone. And then on the reboot, you might have to, be met by some other things to opt out of and hit skip. Then what I'm doing here is I'm just uninstalling all of these little apps that crept in on my phone anyway. These are the TrackPhone sort of bloatware apps. You can see me either uninstall, disable, or just delete them. And there we go, that is the last one, or disable was disable them. And then I'm just gonna go in the Samsung folder here and hit my files. And in the downloads folder here is where we'll find the VerusCoin miner app. So just click on the APK and you will need to sort of accept installs. So yeah, it will open up in your settings automatically and just hit install like this. And that should be it. App installed, hit open. And now we are in the VerusCoin miner app. So we're just gonna add a settings profile here. And this is where you paste in your VerusCoin wallet address, which I had already copied on my phone here. So just find that, copy that in here. We are then going to rename our little phone worker here. So I'm just gonna name mine 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏01. Next thing is we're gonna select to mine on all 8 CPUs of the phone, all 8 CPU cores. And then we're gonna pick our mining pool. You can see the big list of pools there. I'm just gonna go with pool.verus.io, then hit the little save icon and your settings profile is saved. Now we are basically good to go. So just hit the little mining tab, hit start mining and hit OK on this. And then yeah, allow this thing. You're good to go. You are literally up and mining VerusCoin on your phone. And as you can see here, it takes a little while, but after a couple of minutes, the phone gets up to its full hash rate of, the one that I have, just under 4 megahash a second. Alright, so that is how to do the minimal installation to get the most hash rate possible for those of you who already have your VerusCoin wallet address. Now, let's get into how to install the VerusCoin mobile wallet app and get a wallet address for those of you who also still need to do that. So to download and set up the VerusCoin wallet app, you're gonna have to do that on the Google Play Store. So open up the Google Play Store on your phone and sign in with your Google account, and then it's probably gonna be a whole other opting out of things one more time. And then finally we are in the Google Play Store, and then we're just going to close that and open our web browser again. Might be some things to accept or opt out of or whatever, but then we're going to go to the official VerusCoin web page, which is just verus.io. And because we are going to make sure we get the official app and not an imposter off of the Play Store. So go to verus.io and go to get wallet, and then we can just scroll down to the Verus mobile, click on download Verus mobile, and then get it on the Google Play Store. And that is now going to open the Google Play Store, but it's gonna make sure you are getting the correct version and not an imposter trying to look like the Verus web wallet. And then once that's done, just hit open and get started. And you can just skip this whole thing if you want, then create my profile. Then yeah, just choose a name, 𝗬𝗏, that's what I chose. And then yeah, because this is just a bit of a throwaway account just to show you guys for me. So just a simple password and then hit new wallet. So this is where it's going to give you the 24-word seed phrase. Now it's very important that you save all of these seed words in a safe place, preferably on like a note or a couple of notes that are in safe places. So once you get all those, write those down. It's gonna ask you to enter a few of them back in to make sure you did it right, and then you're good to go. So we are now in the wallet app. You can click on Verus at the top right there to kind of see your balance, and then top right menu, click on Verus and then hit receive. And there it gives you your full wallet address. And that is the wallet address that you will be mining to. All right, now finally, I'm going to show you how to track your mining progress on the pool website to see how much you're getting paid and just in general keep track of how your mining is going. So since we used the official VerusCoin mining pool in the setup, that's then also the pool that I'm going to show you now. So we just need to open pool.verus.io in our web browser. I'm doing it on my computer here, but you can do it on your phone too. It's going to warn you not to mine to an exchange wallet, but we're not doing that, so it doesn't really matter for us. We're then going to click on worker stats, and then up here in the miner lookup box, you just have to paste your VerusCoin wallet address that you are mining to and hit lookup. Now, I'm just going to be looking up a random miner from the list here, and we can see that this person has 4 phones up and mining right now, and you can see the hash rate over time for each phone in the graph here, as well as the current and average total hash rate for all of their phones. Then here in the middle, you can see how much they have been paid so far. Keep in mind, this is how many VerusCoin they have have been paid, so not dollars, and then also how much they have currently sitting on the pool waiting to be paid out. Because that's one thing to note. The pool does not pay you, constantly. Rather, with this pool, you get paid every 6 hours as long as the amount you have mined is at least 0.01 Verus Coin in that period. And if not, what you've mined rolls over into the next 6-hour period. Now, please subscribe so you don't miss that upcoming video on how to get paid in Bitcoin instead of Verus Coin when phone mining. And to learn more about mining, you can check out one of those 2 videos on your right here. If you want to support the channel so that I can keep making videos like this one, you can click the join button below to get access to some bonus content, or you could buy one of my shirts in my merch store. Link to that will be down in the video description.